sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
All right, Fuzz Pie Guy here. I'm going to show you how to uninstall some software that's on the Windows 10 that you can't uninstall by just going under ads and features. Now, I did two, I think, previous videos on this, but I never really did one that was a little bit bigger that had a lot of the commands that we need to do in order to uninstall some of this pre-installed stuff that we don't want. As you can see here, we have Microsoft Edge. Some people might not want that. The update, maps, mail and calendar, but you can uninstall that. Microsoft Photos, people, Xbox, and your phone, and Get Help is somewhere here. And the camera and the voice thing. So let's get started. We have that up. So now what we can do is we need PowerShell, but we need to run it in administrator. So we'll right click, run as administrator. Alright, so now that we have that up, let's go ahead and uninstall Get Help. Let me go over here to my commands here, copy it. Now I'll throw a link in the description to my website for all these commands to help you guys out. We'll just hit enter, and there we go. So that one's done. Now let's go ahead, uninstall the Xbox one. Now the Xbox might be a little tricky because depending on what's all on there, this one may work, it may not. But I think we need to do this guy here for the overlay. See if that gets rid of it. Yep, there we go. So you get the point of what to do here. So now let's go ahead and uninstall your phone. I don't need this stuff. Now that command there didn't work. So what I'll do is I'll have to find one that will. So we'll mark that one. So anyway, I don't want to hold you up, but you get the point. This is how you do it, and I'll put a link in the description, and you guys can have fun. So there we go. We just uninstalled the camera. Now a lot of people want to do this voice one. So let's see if this one here works while I'm recording. And hopefully everybody's standing by. Yep, there it went. Awesome. Good deal. All right. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.